Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to apply pie chart in Excel. So, in my last video, I told you that uh, there are many types of charts like 3D chart, vertical chart, and so on. So, uh, if you want, so let's get started. And if you to apply pie chart, we need to select our data first. Now go on the insert page, and as you can see that there is a drop down. Now click on this drop down button, and there are so many types of uh, pie charts like 2D pie, 3D pie, donut pie, and many more. So I would like to apply the 3D pie chart. And now as you can see that there are so many now as you can see that the pie chart is uh, define defining the toy shoes and bags or data, whatever you want to call, by different colors. The pie chart presents toys with the blue color, shoes with the orange color, and bags with the gray color. And now if I want to uh, add more elements or specify the data, I can just click on the plus button, and now label the data, and here we go. It tells us the uh, it also tells us the quantity and the exact data. So thank you guys for watching my video. I will be back with another video soon. And if you and if you like this video, please do share and subscribe my channel. It helps me a lot to make more videos like this. Thank you.